Good morning once again for all my students. Welcome to Satyajit Bara's E-Pathshala once again today. This is our continuation of the previous class. And I hope all you are enjoying with these videos. Today I will start from the remaining portion of the previous class. Now, before that, I hope all of you are well and fit. Stay home, stay safe, and at least up to offline classes get restarted, we will continue with this same technique. Now, before starting with new concepts, I have a I have sorry to say, because in my unfortunately in my last previous video there was a single mistake, and that was nothing but improper fraction. In case of improper fraction, while I was giving example, one example I have given it correctly, but the other example was what? 7 by 11. I have written 7 by 11, and that was wrong, totally wrong. Some of you have given me shown me the mistake. Actually it was unwantedly done mistakes, but no need to worry. The answer will be, the example will be what? The example will be, the improper example of improper fraction will be 11 by 7. Okay, I hope all of you have all of your doubts have been cleared right now. Okay, thank you. Now I got some mistakes from your copies. Actually, most of you have done some mistakes regarding the plus, minus and all while fraction is in concern. So let me do again exercise 2.1. This is chapter 2. F and D means what? Fractions and decimals. I am writing in abbreviation such that I can write more things in this small area canvas. Okay, now exercise what? 2.1. I will start again. I will do some questions. How? Actually slowly I will this time show you. Suppose question number 1 5. What was there? Question number 1 5. You take out your PDFs first, okay, and you will then only you will understand. The question was, solve 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. This was the question. Now how will you solve it? Whenever you will write solution, after writing solution, first you have to take the LCM of 10, 5 and 2. So let us, you have to write, let us take the LCM of 10, 5, 2. 10, 5, 2. If you take LCM, first you have to try it by 2. 2 5s are 10. No, it will come 5. 2 1s are 2. Now again by 5 you can do it. 5 2s are 5 1s are 5. 5 1, and this one is also 1. So what will be our LCM? Therefore LCM equals to 2 into 5 into 1 into 1 into 1. But this answer will be how much? 10. Now come to, now 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2 equals to, take the LCM, 10. Okay, now how will you solve it? You divide this 10, you divide this 10 by this number, like this. 10 divided by 10. 10 1s are 10. 10 you get now. So how many times you will get? How many times? What is the quotient? 1. So you write down 1 here. Multiply. This process most of you have done in this step. 1 this one will come here, 1 into this remaining 7 plus plus. Now you divide this 10 by this 5. 10 ok jodi tumi 5 ere divide kora, how much you will get? 5 2s are 10. Now bring these two here. Okay, 2 into what? Upor already 2 ase, here already 2 is present, so you will put that 2 here. Okay, now I am rubbing it. Next, plus is there, so plus. Now this 2 will divide 10. If we divide 10 by 2, 2 5s are 10, and this 5 will come here into this 3. Don't forget to put these numbers. Most of you have done, many of you have done these mistakes. Please don't do this mistake, otherwise you will lose your marks. Now equals to, नीचे क्या होगा? 10 in the above, 7 plus 4 plus 5 into 3, how much? 15. If you add them, how much you will get? 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 15, how much? 26. Down 10. Yes or no? Am I right, or have I done some mistake? Okay, now you cancel them. 2 re cancel jabo, 2 1s are 2 2 2 5s are 10, 2 13s are 26. So what will be our answer? 13 by 5. Or you can do one more thing. Instead of writing 13 by 5, you do one, make it mixed fraction. Convert it into mixed fraction. 5 2s are 10, so 3 will be remainder. So your answer will be 2 3 by 5. Now you pause the video. Please, you pause the video and copy this out. Copy this out. No need to copy these things. You need not to copy these things. Now I have showing you the whole syllabus, canvas is saying to you. Now you just copy it. In the meantime, I will rub it. You can pause the video and write it down. Now I am rubbing it. Okay. Now we will start with our example number 2. In previous class we have not discussed example number 2. Now I am going to discuss example number 2. What is there? Ramesh solved. You take it from the question, you write it from small questions. I will write it here, but if I write down the large questions, big questions, what will happen? Time will be wasted. So you just look at the PDF and you will come to know what PDF shows, and read the question, and I will also read this here, and I will put the write the answer here. Okay, now you take Ramesh solved 2 by 7 part of an exercise while Seema solved 4 by 5 of 8. Who solved lesser part? See, here you are asking about who solved lesser, who solved greater. That means what? You have to compare. That means after reading this question, your mind's this idea should strike your mind that lesser greater. That means what? Here some type of some sort of comparison is doing here. So is in this type of questions, that means you have to find out which one is smaller. That means which fraction is smaller, you need to find out here, because none of them have solved the book completely. None of them has solved the exercise completely, and also telling that both of them are doing the same exercise. This is very important point. Both of them are doing the same exercise. Can you relate this with that cake, the previous example what I have taken? Same cake I have divided into 5 parts, and same cake if I divide into 6 parts, which time I will get the larger piece or smaller piece. They're the same thing. You just compare with that. Now I have simply in this type of question, example 2. Now here given, first you have to write down, right? What is given? What is given here? Given the Ramesh fraction that a fraction of exercise that read by Ramesh equals to how much? 2/7. Similarly, you write for fraction of exercise. I know this is not clearly visible from there, but you can have that idea. What is this? Okay, that read by whom? The girl Seema equals to how much? 4/5. Now you have to compare these. Simply you have to compare these two fractions. Okay, how will I compare? There were 2 methods of comparing 2 different fractions having no similar denominators and no similar what? Numerators. Yet sub different. Numerator and denominator sub different yet. Is it yes or no? Here numerator is 2, here numerator 4, here numerator 7, here denominator 7, here denominator 5. So nothing is matching. So now what you will do? You will make both the denominator, either you will make both the numerators same, or you will make the denominators same. And we normally find when easy when we compare this, we make these denominators same. That means 7 and 5. And what is the technique behind making these denominators same? See, 7 and 5. First I will take the LCM off. So here write down LCM, or here also you can write here LCM of 7 and 5 is how much? Simply 7 into 5, that is 35. Now convert. Now you write down, now 2/7 equals to how much? First you have to write it down as I have written. Now you make this 7 into 35. Convert this 7 into 35. How will I get here 35? By, if we multiply 7 by 5, then I will get 35. Yes or no? Do you agree? Yes, of course you have to agree, otherwise you have no other choice. Now 2, this 2, what you will do? What you have to multiply here? The same number, no other option with you then other than 5. You have to multiply the same, multiply by the same number, that is 5. So if you multiply 2 by 5, then you will get simply how much? 10. Now please careful, you no need to cancel them. Some of you will do cancellation here. Yes, sir, 5 years are here, 2 are here. Oh, no, don't do this. It will no use. So now again, this one you're over. Now come to the other fraction. What is there? 4 by 5. How will you do it? 4 you write down here, 5 you write down here. Now you have to convert this 5 into 35. Now what will you do? Simple. 5 into 7, then you will get 35. Here also you multiply by the same number and you will get here 28. Yes or no? Now you look at here. Both are. Since here you have to write now. Since. Now you can easily tell which one is greater. Here 35, here 35. Denominator same. So our method was whose numerator will be greater, that fraction will be indirectly greater. Now 28 is greater than 10. So I will write as since 28 by 35 is greater than, it is greater than symbol 10 by 35. Therefore 4 by 5 is greater than, oh, you are not asking greater than, you need only smaller than. So you don't use this symbol, write this one 10 by 35. Jitu khudise tomalok hetuhe koriba, beleg tu nokoriba. Jodi smaller khudise, lesser khudise, then you proceed like this. Okay, now 10 by 35, and this one what? 28 divided by 35. Therefore 2 by 7 is less than 4 by 5. Hence, now your final answer. Hence, who related to 2 by 7? Who? Ramesh. Now write down the part of Ramesh is what? Lesser. Simple. This is, and the answer is over. And you can, I hope you have understood very well about this. If you don't understand, you again repeat the video, it will get clarified. Now I will rub this, and I have already shown you the whole canvas. You stop the video, means pause the video and copy it. Now I will rub it. Okay, now move to next. Now we will move to next example. Actually, it is very difficult to write on a polythene, right? Writing is not a problem, but rubbing is a bit difficult. And in the meantime, I would like to say something, add here, that if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it such that you can get the notification while any video will get uploaded to this channel in future use also, for future use also. Lockdown শেষ হৈ যোৱাৰ পাছতো আমি হয়তো এনেকুৱা ভিডিওজ অলপ আপলোড কৰিম চাগে তোমালোকৰ, most probably I have there is a possibility of uploading some more videos for your benefits. কিছুমান বস্তু ক্লাছত শেষ কৰিব দিগদাৰ হৈ যায় কাৰণে I need to skip some things in class, but I will give those things here. Okay, so you subscribe it, and if you like this video, please press the like button and comment if you have any queries. Now next, example number 3. What is there in example 3? You read the question. Samira purchased 1/2 kg 3.5 kg of what? Apples, and 3/4 kg of oranges. What is the total weight of fruits purchased by her? Now what you have to do? Simple. Total, you are asking about total. How we get? You will simply, if you add both of them, you will get the total. It is a very simple question, but see how to write solution. Okay, solution, the process of writing. Given, what it is? Given. Given में क्या लिखोगे? Simply you write weight of apples. WEIGHT, weight of apples equals to how much? 3.5 kg, I hope. Yeah, right? 3.5 kg. And then similarly you write down, put some commas like this. Weight of what? Orange, na? Orange. Weight of orange is 3/4 kg. Yes, 3/4 by, yes. Okay. Now, therefore, the total weight of fruits, you can write or you may not write, equals to, how will you get? Just simply add them. 3 1/2 plus 4 3/4. If you add them, I will use method 1 for it. I feel it good because it will save your time. 3, from here you 3 take out, 3 plus 1/2 plus 4 plus 3/4. I have already, if you don't understand this, please watch my previous video, you will come to know about this particular method. So now what will happen, you can use the other technique also, I have no issue. Now you just combine these whole numbers, 3 plus 4, 1/2 plus 3/4. Now what you will do, this is total 7 plus, this is how much? 2 and 4, LCM 4. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 into 1 plus is there plus 4 1s are 4 into 3, right? Is that clear? Now 7 plus niche 4, here 2 plus how much? 3. It will get how much? 7 plus, from here you will get 5/4. 5/4 means, you know, 5 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4 and 1 will be remaining. So it will be what? 7 plus 1, 1/4. Is that clear? This one will come here, this 4 will be here, and this remainder will be go here. Okay, now here 7 plus 1 plus, this is what? 7 plus 1 plus 1/4. This means what? 8 1/4. Is that clear? 8 1/4. But after this you write whatever I will write here. Okay, no need to write, you can just simply write here, put here kg, because kg is very necessary, because it is what? Weight of fruits. So weight, the kg is the weight. Now we will do the next. I cannot extend it more, the video is very large enough today. Now which your homework will be, your homework, or you may consider it as classwork, but you note that you don't send these homeworks and classworks to in our WhatsApp group. You just send me individually, okay, to my personal to my email ID. I will send you the email ID, you will put it over there. Okay, you send to my email ID. If it is possible, I will feel good if you send to this email ID. Otherwise you can send me through WhatsApp, but in my personal account only. Thank you very much. But question number 2, exercise 2.1, question number 2, do by yourself. Comparison, it is simple comparison. Okay, already in previous classes you got that. I am giving you the homework. If you do not, actually it is classwork, no, not homework. Now you do it and send it via email. I will check it and I will tell, do you need any video or not. I will check there. Okay, now up to there, today's class is over. Thank you for watching me.